We always say when our history's told, if only we knew the things we know. There's a question ages old. Let me down easy, let me down slow. If all good things ever come and go, let me back down in a place I know. Hold the nail for the hammer stroke. This my trash, this my tone.
But what impresses me the most, and has been probably for of all the couples I've married, is your faith, okay? Nick, you wanted to be married in this church. You did some church shopping. Evidently my church isn't good enough, but anyway. The point is, I think it was more than the church, it was the faith part of it. It was the God part of it that's so important. And I know that because I just can feel it from you guys. And even in the readings. You know, when Edward did the first reading, it's from the book of Ruth, they talked about where you will go, I will go. And even if you die, you're going to be together for eternity. That's how solid this is.
If all good things ever come and go.
Nick actually founded a team that we still go by, El Oso. As a matter of fact, you might not know Nick has a tattoo on his back, Siempre El Oso. Maybe a little later. I'd like to take the time now to welcome our first female to the El Oso roster.
No way.
Yeah!
Miss Lily Larson Acosta.
Me?
Hey, I gotta see this. Oh, nice. Thank you, boo.
Most people die, but others just go. She's still out there in the chasm grove.
Today, Lily's marrying her best friend, that guy from first floor. We know that no marriage can always be perfect, but you both can count on it always being epic. So Nick, please know that Lily will always try to cheer you up, to lift you up, and to maybe tuck your ear off in the process. Trust us. So Nick and Lily, thank you so much for letting us be a part of your day today. It's been nothing short of amazing, and we can't wait to see all the amazing things that are in store for you too.
This my mountain, this is my home. How do I wake my spirit cold? There's a question ages old.